Knife. Emerald! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm stopping a fucking emerald! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my! Oh my god! That's great! That's great! Oh my god! Oh my god!
But still, it's a case, so you're generally not gonna profit.
Right.
But it does have the highest statistic at around, I think, 12 to...
Dude,
What?
I just got gloves. I just got gloves.
Did you?
Hang on.
Did you get gloves? Damn.
Knife, an AK, and M4, and then probably like games.
2, 3. Rub the gun you want. Click it twice. Inspect it.
Okay.
Spin it once. 2, 3.
Okay.
Then you rub the worst skin in here.
Okay. It's like a ritual.
And then you can't touch any other guns. You go around it 3 times. Then you come over here. Turn it so that it's easy to insert the key. Come around here. Unlock container.
Alright, again.
And shake it as fast as you can.
You gotta tap the lock.
Who cares about the lock? Oh my god! 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 No way! There's no way!
No
way! There's no way!
Check that.
Lost key, lost case, cunt. Do I pull a knife?
Yeah, you do.
Come on, key knife.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
No way.
Yeah, you do. 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 Yeah, you do.
Esperemos que seja isto ou isto. Siga. Não.
Okay, first every case, man. Easy, that's bro. No fucking. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? My first ever case! Oh my fucking god! You can't be serious! You can't be serious!
Užmentas gal bus laimingas. Prizmą 2 darau. Pagnali. Opa! Tokį va. Stiletto knife. Ultraviolet, seni. Andriucha, jauti? Ultraviolet! What fucking tokį?
Czemu masz tak wolno?
No bo to trzeba tak wolność. Jak głowę strzelać.
Na margonem.
Nie wierzę, Monika kosę trafiła! Monika kosę trafiła, gościu!
Patrz, trafił nóż.
Co? Ja nie mogłem, ona pierwszą skrzynkę w życiu otworzyła. To jeszcze jakiś wyjebany nóż.
Co ten kręczony?
Das ist so viel mehr. Das ist nicht passiert.
Moro, vitu!
Hää?
Hanska.
Ei! Annahan tän. Ja nuo on muuten kalliit. Mitä vittua?
Okei.
Mitä?
One. Let's go! Oh my god! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's go! Yes, dude! You're welcome, dude! You're welcome, dude! You're welcome! Double dude! Double.
Yes, no way. See? Scam? I don't.
He's not gonna get commanded now. Like.
Oh, no way!
No fucking way! No fucking way! Let's go! Let's fucking go, baby! Let's go! Let's go!
Вот решал этот кейс. Давай, братик. Хотя бы АВП. Дай мне АВП. Опа, гадюку. О! Ебать, нож выпал. Охуеть.
What?
Yeah, bitch.
Like SpongeBob right now.
Oh my god, I pulled a knife! And I'm being hit lower!
Okay,
Bullshit. Bro, look at the stream! 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 Clip it!
No.
Clip it! Bro!
how do I add?
Yo, clip
Oh my
it!
god, it's so loud.
Fuck off.
Clip
I can't hear
it!
anything.
Clip
It's actually a big fake. Wow, Alu.
Oh, misses the shot, but not the follow-up. Again, he's gonna hit it. Oh! And Alu in with the quick scopes. 3 frags on the double. Let's get that on the replay. And they just win a round with absolutely 0 losses.
DJ had no choice but to spectate CT spawn in that spot because he was just running across. Okay. Oh, he asked for it. Okay. We'll retract the yellow card. It looked like unnecessary roughness, but now we see it was manslaughter.
Ну и опять же, окей, Некса не играет, но счет 15-12. Хотя, может быть, как раз таки его не хватает, чтобы поставить жирную
Кенни,
точку.
горит! Кенни, прям на ящике! Что ж ты будешь делать? Вроде огонь под тобой.
They leave this bomb site undetected. Almez is the only one that stops this bomb from getting defused. Crystal might go for this. He might go for the ninja defuse.
Oh my god.
The only player that can defend is this Ram player.
Almazer going for the AWP. Crystal. Oh my god, he's going for
He's
it.
doing it.
Oh
He's
my
got
god,
it.
he's doing it. No way. He's got it. They can't make it there in time. Oh, Forza, what have you done? What have you done?
Isso aí, cara, não tem jeito.
É isso, galera. 4 contra 4. Quem sabe as SWS faça o terceiro ponto aí pra acreditar. DZT marota. Leva 1, leva 2, leva... Ô, Spaco, não é por nada não. Vendo o DZT jogando, parece que o CS é fácil, né?
Mas, cara, aí que tá, o CS... Eu entrei numa discussão há muito tempo atrás sobre isso, cara, que eu falava que assim, nossa, olha o DZT, cara.
Alô,
Olha o
Murilo
DZT.
RT. Alô, chama ele.
Game over. I got this stuff there.
Yep, 1v5, 1v5.
Oh my god, they're giving it to him.
Dazzle. Just stick it, he's not gonna peek you.
Oh my god, what do you want? No way.
You know!
Dude.
I'm gonna go be dead.
Block him, block him.
Oh, let's go!
Oh
my
fuck,
god.
God! Smokers.
Oh my god. What are they doing?